Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable notifications of Netflix. Do note that I have already installed the Netflix application in my mobile device and I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply focus on how to enable notifications on Netflix. At the very bottom, on the bottom right section, you will find your profile. Just click on it. Now you will be redirected to a page like this. And from here, what we want to do is simply click on these three lines that you'll find at the top right. Just click on it. Something like this will open up from the bottom of the screen. Now what you need to do is simply go to App Settings. Now right here, as you can see, here's the notifications right here. And I have disabled notifications for Netflix. Now what we want to do is simply enable it. So let's toggle on this button right here. Now it's asking me something like this. Toggle on this button once again. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable notifications of Netflix. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.